I have nothing clever to say. Hello.
See, the bottom one's getting too far away from. Yeah, there we go.
Boximus Prime? Is that what you said?
I am Boximus Prime.
Boximus Prime.
I have been sent here from... Where am I from?
From Box. You're from Box Space. You're from Planet Boxes. You're from Planet Box a lot.
We are searching for the Box Spock.
It's pretty...
This is priceless.